Hey guys, it's me Shangar again. Okay, so now we're going to do unboxing of the Blackweb soundpebble. So let's get started. So I already got the stickers off it just to save some time, except for this one I guess. Okay, now let's get into the box. So this is what we get. Let's open this thing up. Okay, so we get the speaker itself. Pretty heavy. Now let's put that to the side and check what else we get. Okay, so some tape. Okay, so a nice carrying pouch with the Blackweb logo. Nice. Micro USB charging cable. Not that long, but oh well. So as you can see, this has an aux cord, but there's no aux cord provided. Like, just go buy them. They're about like $10. And your manual about how you use it. So this was the unboxing review of the Blackweb soundpebble. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video.